What is up, everybody? My name is Naima, but you can call me Nax. I'm your best YouTube friend. And it is my birthday today. But today we are here to do another science experiment. I call it the carbon dioxide blackout. Let's get started. Okay guys, so now we're on to the ingredients. It's pretty simple. So what you're going to be needing is a teaspoon, some matches to light the fire, white vinegar, a cup to put the white vinegar inside, some candles and a tray, but I got a plate, and some baking soda. Now let's get to the action. Okay guys, so I just got my baking soda on and I'm just pouring it around. I'm just tapping it so I don't get too much in one place. Now I removed my candles so it's easier. I'm just going to tap it. Okay, so that's done. Okay, now we're going to put the candles back on. Okay, so now we're just lighting the candles. There you go. Okay. So now we're going to pour the vinegar on. Let's go. As you guys can see, it just burned it all out. As you guys can see here, when I poured the white vinegar onto the baking soda, there was a chemical reaction. That chemical reaction created carbon dioxide. There was so much carbon dioxide that it starved the candles of oxygen, which caused the flame to die. And that is what I like to call a carbon dioxide blackout. Okay, so I'm afraid I have to end this video. Please like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you guys learned something too, because I definitely did. And do not forget to comment down below if you want me to do something, another science experiment or anything else. Bye! Watch more of my videos.